Okay, so in this video we will see how we can copy a dictionary, or you can say how we can copy the values of a particular dictionary into the another dictionary, right? So first let's create a dictionary, parent dictionary. Okay, so I'm going to write some values here. Let's say the values are name. For name we are having the corresponding value, let's say John. And for the key year we are having the corresponding value 2006. Okay, so I have created a dictionary here and I want to copy these values inside another dictionary, right? So I just can't write the dictionary 2 is equal to this parent dictionary. No, because this way you are just referring to these values only, right? Because this particular part is saved somewhere inside the memory, and parent dictionary is pointing to this particular memory location, right? And if you are going to write dictionary 2 is equal to parent dictionary, you are going to refer to this particular parent dictionary, right? If any changes will be made to these values, these will not be reflected inside the dictionaries too. So you have to create a separate memory location for the dictionary too. So by using the assignment operator, you cannot just copy all those values. So what you can do is you can just write dictionary 2 is equal to parent dictionary dot copy. So copy is the method by which you can just copy all the values into a separate memory location, and that memory location will be tagged with dictionary 2. So if I just print this dictionary 2, it will print all these values because these are copied into a new memory location, right? Okay, another way you can do is by using the dict method. Inside the dict method you have to mention the name of the dictionary. Okay, so this will do the same work, right? All these values are copied inside the dictionary too. Okay, this is how you can copy the values of a particular dictionary to another dictionary.